So today we're going to be learning about a hypothesis. So a hypothesis is an if-then statement based on what you believe will happen in an experiment. So basically, if I leave a pumpkin out for 3 months, then it'll decay. Like, if I do this, then this will happen. It's kind of like just like what will happen afterwards. It's an educated guess or guess based on information you already know. So a hypothesis is something that you make before an experiment, so you technically don't really know what is going to happen. So it's kind of just like a guess. And after your experiment is over, that's when you get to find out if your hypothesis is correct or not. If your hypothesis isn't correct, that is completely fine. This is just a guess. It's kind of just fun to see if you were right or not. Scientists solve all of their problems using the scientific method, and the hypothesis is a step in the scientific method. It is one of very, very important steps. So to form a hypothesis, sometimes you want to get some background information so you know sort of what is happening. It's basically just you observe first, and then you're like, oh, well, I kind of understand this, so if I do this, then this will happen. You're going to use a hypothesis a lot in this class. It is one of your vocab words, so you just want to, like, when you hear hypothesis, think if-then statement based on what you believe will happen in an experiment, because we will be using this a lot. Hypothesis is just a very common word when we are using the scientific method, and for one of our exit tickets for the class, we are going to be writing a hypothesis about what we think will happen on field day. Like, if I win the hula hoop contest, then I'm going to do this, or if this happens, then I'm going to do this. Just something fun. We're going to mix it up.